I'm gonna show you a little trick. So right here, this is where my mom freaking backed her car up. You can't really see because there's no light in here, but right here there's a indent, like right here. Oh, you can see it. There's two indents. So right here it's pushed in, and right here there's another indent. Right here's a circle. Right here's like half a circle. So well, before it was a little bit deeper, but you get one of these suction cups. I've got this from, like, you know, in the sink there's little cups to hold the soap. I just took it off from there, and then you wet it, and you spit on that hole, and then you put it, and it suctions, and then you pull it. It's too stuck now. Anyways, that's how I did. Okay, I can't do it with one hand, but you kind of do this, and it kind of will, if it's a slight dent, this will fix it. It was deeper, like I said, and this helped it pop out the most it could. And this one is just actually like the actual aluminum actually got a bend, like a fold. So this is not gonna be strong enough for this one. This one too, that's the most. It was, like I said, this one was deeper. I originally did this when it first got hit, and it made it a little bit better. But to finish it off, I took off the cover right here for the speakers, and right here you could use like a metal bar and then hit it right here and try to undo that. So I'm actually using this that comes with the car. I'm gonna take off the wheel lugs. So I'm gonna put it in like that, and then you try to find where exactly you're hitting. It's hard to work. And then you just go ahead and try to, slow this to see how much farther I could kind of like tap it to try to take that out. And then after that, you could also get one of these and do very slight hits on the bend, the very line where the bend's at. Try to like undo it, but softly, and you just keep doing it softly, back and forth, outside and then the inside, and see how good I could do with these tools. Damn, it's like it's almost not even there anymore. Jeez, I should work at a body shop, bruh. Who hired?